we worked on a song that is about EPM and about working together, so we wanted to share that with you.
Absolutely. And guys, I mean...
Hey, where's your guitar?
It's there. So the
please
lyrics...
continue to
Yeah.
So this is, it's based on a Tim and Nikki Bloom song, and I revamped the lyrics to be about EPM.
Yes, and it did a great job, so just everybody pay attention to the lyrics. We only had 30 minutes of like actual rehearsal time.
So it's a little rough, but
yeah, it's rough. One said it was gonna be easy. This project EPM. Product masters us to the future. It's not just a means to an end.
it's been crazy, it's been fast-paced, nothing slows us down. EPS rebuilds and for upgrade, 1B features abound. I don't wanna hear your doubts, I wanna hear your shouts of victory. Come on, kid, you'll go far if you stick with me.
Seems we're always in the fast lane. We can't go lightly, 'cause we work hard and work together. We'll make our day.
All the people say we're crazy, 40 of us meeting in a night. When they ask just what we're doing, we say, preparing for our go live.
I don't wanna hear your doubts, I wanna hear your shouts of victory. Come on, kid, you'll go far if you stick with me.
Ooh,
And the whole team wins. Ooh, when we implement. Ooh, be together again with the merchant for friends, just singing and dancing. Ooh, I don't wanna hear your doubts, I wanna hear your shouts of victory. Come on, kid, you'll go far if you stick with me. Come on, kid, you'll go far if you stick with me.